Good day, mate. Today, I'm going to tell you why Flash is your best friend in photography. Now, I know what you're thinking, Flash. Really? Isn't that the thing that ruins every good photo? But buckle up because I'm about to flip that misconception on its head. First off, let's talk about natural light. Yeah, it's beautiful and all, but it's also as unpredictable as a kangaroo on a trampoline. One minute you've got perfect golden hour, and the next, you're stuck with shadows darker than my sense of humor. Enter the Flash. Now don't go imagining those blinding deer-in-headlights shots. I'm talking about using your flash the right way. Think of it as your personal portable sun. You get to control the light, and that means you get to control the mood, the vibe, and yes, even the shadows. You've got your on-camera flash, which is like meh, but better than nothing. Then you've got your external flash, the real MVP. This little guy lets you aim and adjust. Bounce the light off walls or ceilings and create those soft, flattering glows that make everyone look like they just stepped off a magazine cover. Oh, and let's not forget about off-camera flash. This bad boy brings out your inner Spielberg, letting you place light sources wherever you darn well please. Want some dramatic side lighting? Boom, done. Need to highlight those stunning mountains in the background? Easy peasy. And for those of you who are into videography, flash can be a game changer too. Continuous lighting options like LED panels give you that consistent light source without the awkwardness of flickering bulbs. Trust me, nobody wants to watch a video that looks like a 90s rave. Now I know some of you are still skeptical, but natural light is so natural. Yeah, and so are mosquitoes, but you don't see me inviting them to my Barbie. The point is, with Flash, you're in control. You're not at the mercy of Mother Nature deciding to throw a cloud over your perfect shot. So next time you're out snapping photos or filming your next viral hit, give Flash a fair go. Embrace it. Make it your mate. Because when used right, Flash can take your work from, oh, that's nice to wow. Who took that? Alright folks, that's all from me today. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and maybe even share it with your mate who still thinks Flash is the enemy. Until next time, keep snapping, keep flashing, and keep being awesome. Catch you later.